Welcome to one of the most magical places in the world, Iceland. From the most spectacular waterfalls one could ever see to volcano eruptions that are like no other, Iceland has it all. Whether it's about the northern lights or driving through daylight at 2 in the morning, this country is a winner. And when you end up here after throwing a dart at the world map to determine your next destination, it's even more rewarding. Not to mention that the Viking culture and the simple fact that you could bake bread in the hot volcanic sands of Iceland will leave you speechless. Stay with me for 3 extremely cinematic episodes that will show you one of the most incredible places on Earth.